UFO collides with US fighter jet. Hey everybody! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm covering a shocking story you might not have heard about. A UFO actually crashed into a US military fighter jet last year, and it's just one of many similar incidents. According to the Federal Aviation Administration, on January 19, 2023, an F-16 Viper fighter jet was struck by an unidentified flying object while flying over Arizona. This wasn't just a near miss, it was an actual collision. The jet was flying in restricted airspace over an area called Gila Bend when something described as an orange-white UAS, that's an uncrewed aerial system, hit the rear of the plane's canopy. The impact was serious enough to crack the glass. Fortunately, the pilot wasn't injured, but imagine being in that cockpit when something unexplained suddenly hits your aircraft. The fact that this happened in restricted military airspace makes it even more concerning. What's really interesting is that this wasn't an isolated incident. The same day, at least 3 other reports of unknown objects were made in the same area. This region includes the Air Force's Barry Goldwater Range near the Arizona-Mexico border. Even more shocking, this is just one of 22 cases involving US fighter pilots encountering or colliding with unknown objects over Arizona in less than a year. And it's not just Arizona. According to the Department of Defense's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, or AARO, there have been hundreds of such incidents across the entire United States. So what exactly hit the F-16? The official designation is UFO, which doesn't necessarily mean aliens, just that it was unidentified. Some experts speculate it might have been a drone operated by unknown individuals. But here's the thing, this was in restricted military airspace, flying at altitudes where normal civilian drones shouldn't be able to reach. And why would someone deliberately fly a drone into a military fighter jet? The military and FAA investigations into this incident are still ongoing, or at least the findings remain classified. Which raises the question, what are they not telling us? This incident highlights the increasing number of unexplained aerial phenomena being reported by military pilots. Whether these are advanced drones, natural phenomena, or something else entirely, they represent a genuine safety concern for aviation. What do you think? Was this just an illegal drone, or something more mysterious? Let me know your theories in the comments. If you found this interesting, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos about unexplained aerial phenomena and military encounters. Thanks for watching.